Welcome to our online banking tutorial for beginners, getting started with your finances. In today's digital age, online banking has become essential for managing our finances conveniently and securely. Whether you're new to banking or just new to online banking, this video will provide you with all the information you need to get started. So, let's dive in. Understanding online banking. Before we start, it's important to understand what online banking is. Online banking allows you to perform various banking transactions and manage your accounts through the internet. You can access your accounts, check balances, transfer money, pay bills, and more, using a computer or a mobile device. Setting up your online banking account. To enjoy the benefits of online banking, you first need to set up your online banking account. Begin by visiting your bank's website and searching for the online banking registration page. Follow the instructions provided and provide the necessary personal information to create your account. Security measures for online banking. Security is vital when it comes to online banking. Banks employ various measures to ensure your information remains safe. These measures may include multi-factor authentication, secure encryption, and monitoring systems. Additionally, it's essential to create a strong, unique password and avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for banking activities. Exploring online banking features. Once you've set up your account, it's time to explore the features offered by online banking. Typically, these features include checking account balances, transferring funds between accounts, paying bills, managing budgets, and viewing transaction histories. Familiarize yourself with these functions to make the most out of your online banking experience. Enhancing financial management. Online banking can significantly simplify your financial management. Take advantage of features like e-statements, which provide digital copies of your bank statements, eliminating the need for paper clutter. Additionally, some online banking platforms offer tools for budgeting and tracking expenses, allowing you to gain a better understanding of your financial situation. Congratulations! You have now learned the essentials of online banking for beginners. Remember to regularly monitor your accounts, keep your personal information secure, and explore the additional features your bank offers. By utilizing online banking, you can simplify your financial life and have greater control over your money. Thank you for watching.